In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on CoinMarketCap. This process is simple and ensures that you can navigate the website in the language that best suits your needs. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the CoinMarketCap website. To do this, simply type in the URL coinmarketcap.com and hit enter. Once the website loads, you'll be greeted by the CoinMarketCap homepage, where you can see various details about cryptocurrency prices, market cap rankings, and more. It's a dynamic and ever-changing platform, so having it in the language you're most comfortable with is crucial for a seamless experience. Now, with CoinMarketCap open in your browser, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a profile icon which resembles a small person or user silhouette. Clicking on this icon will bring up a few options related to your account settings. As you hover over or click the icon, you'll notice a drop-down menu appearing. Among these options, you should see one that reads Language. Go ahead and click on Language to proceed to the selection process. This takes you to a new section where you have multiple language options to choose from. When selecting a new language, think about the language you're most comfortable reading and understanding, or perhaps the language that will best aid you in understanding financial terms and details on the site. CoinMarketCap offers several language options to cater to its global user base. After you've considered which language will work best for you, click on the desired language from the list provided. Selecting a language is as simple as that. The website should automatically refresh or navigate you back to the homepage, now displayed in your chosen language. This small change can significantly enhance your user experience on CoinMarketCap, making it easier to follow market trends and news in the language you're most familiar with. It's especially beneficial if you're someone who deals regularly in multiple languages, or if you're just more comfortable with your native tongue. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language on CoinMarketCap. It's a straightforward process that puts you in control of how you interact with cryptocurrency information on a daily basis. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, be sure to check CoinMarketCap's help section or provide feedback directly to their support team. Thank you for watching, and